This is a tornado alert. At around 1:16 am Eastern Daylight Time, the tornado is now in the vicinity of Toronto. Tornado is of the Fujita scale of 5. Condition is resulted as devastating. This is a tornado emergency for the city of Toronto. Tornado will continue to move northeast of Toronto, moving through the center of the city. Tornado is now off and will continue to move northeast at 50 miles per hour. Estimated time for Toronto is nearly 10 minutes. For Scotch Block is only 3 minutes. For Eden Mills, only 1 minute. If you are in the path of this tornado, take cover immediately. If you cannot get underground, go to a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building now. Stay away from doors and windows.
Good we had it, did we?
Julia has magic.
I'd do anything to get it back. If I could give it to you, I would.
This is our quest.
Oh, come on!
I'm going to fix it.
It's over!
What did you do?
Please hold your questions till the end.